Hello YouTubers, in this video you are going to learn part 1 of the song Love Broke Thru by TobyMac. So don't forget to slow-mo this video if needed or use the new timestamps. Alright everyone, today we're going to look at part 1 or the verse section from the song Love Broke Thru by TobyMac. And as always, we'll mainly be focusing on the rhythm because we think once you can get the rhythm, getting the notes is the easy part. And at the end of this video, there'll be an awesome rhythm exercise for you to use to help you learn it even faster. So now let me play a quick 20-second clip of what this is going to sound like, okay? I believe in the song, it's a guitar. But for now, we're just going to show you how to do it on the piano. There it is again. Not too bad, right? And I'm using some pedal to help me out. Okay, so the counting to get the rhythm right. Right hand, it's going to be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and like this. Ready? Go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 the left hand is just going to hold down 4 counts each for the first 2. Last one we'll hold for 8. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Not too hard, right? So then finger numbers, right hand, I'm just using 1 and 3 each time and just jumping. Because when you have the pedal with your right hand going, you can jump because the note will keep ringing. Left hand, since we're just doing one note, kind of just playing simple bass. You can really use whatever finger you want, honestly. Probably the pinky might be awkward, but, you know, thumb, pointer, some combination of that. Just make sure you kind of have a plan in place, okay? So now let's try it together, okay? We'll play both hands together. I'll count us in. 1 and 2 and 3 and go, and 1. All right, awesome. So now it's time for the rhythm exercise, okay? So with this one, it's kind of just getting the 8th notes down with the right hand comfortably and getting them to be steady, right? So this might be a good chance to use a metronome, okay, to help you keep the beat. But for this one, we're just going to do that first chord in the right hand. And we'll just do one hand, actually. So I just want you to practice playing really steady, okay? Like, so you're not going too fast, too slow, just the same speed the whole time. And you can even count out loud like this to help you make sure that you really get it. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 that's it right there. You really just want to be nice and like a robot pretty much. You're just reliable, just hitting those notes 1 and perfectly in beat, okay? And that is all for this part 1 video. Thank you so much for watching. Have an awesome day. Hey, nice job making it till the end. Way to go. Make sure to let me know if you have any questions or complaints about the video. I'm really happy to hear from you. And remember, practicing the piano daily is a fun and rewarding way to challenge your brain and keep your mind sharp. Anyways, have some fun making music out there, okay?